Hi, I'm Oliver Solberg, and this is the brand new Octavia RS. It has a number of improvements, but it's not only the new front end or the nicer interior. So I'm happy to introduce the new Octavia RS to you. The first important change is the engine. It has now 265 horsepower, which is 20 more than the Octavia RS had before. But enough standing around. I can't wait to get behind the wheel. 265 horsepower may seem a lot for a front-wheel drive, but the Octavia RS has an electronically controlled clamp differential, which transits torque of power very well and eliminates understeer. Plus, in sport mode, you get a sharper engine map and a sensational exhaust noise. But in terms of dynamics, that's not all. The important change is the lower ground clearance. The Octavia RS is already 15 millimeters lower at the base, which, as with the race car, has a big effect on the driving dynamics. The Octavia RS is beautifully agile and very stable in the fast corners, and the brakes can take a lot. But you know what makes the Octavia RS so unique? Let me show you. With a big boot on this car, the handling is much better than the hatchback. With the extra weight to give you better rotation into the corner, the handling gets nicer and more fun. I wonder what else you might be interested in.
Maybe something about the new front?
Of course. The front has sharper lines and a new design of lights. And it looks pretty cool in the dark. Can we turn off the lights maybe?
Here you go.
You get these lights as standard on the Octavia RS. While the Octavia RS won't get lost on track, its main strengths are the combination of speed and comfort on the main roads, like these. The Octavia RS has great compromise of chassis tuning. It's responsive and precise, but still not too stiff for the bumpy road. In normal traffic, you will also enjoy the engine power, in low and mid revs. This is where the EA888 engine family is unique, which is, by the way, the same basis of the powertrain of my Fabia RS Rally 2. The engine has quick response and responds immediately to the throttle. For longer drives, the Octavia RS will also delight you with comfortable sport seats, beautiful decor with a sporty touch, and the traditional rich equipment you will find in all RS models from Škoda, including this 13-inch center display with upgraded infotainment. I have to say it's been a great drive today. The new Octavia RS is a perfect combination of comfort, speed, and of course, fun. Can I have it as a company car?
Škoda.